So let's talk about Shantiniketan this time. First, let me tell you how to reach Shantiniketan, because if you don't reach Shantiniketan, how will you visit the important place over there? So first of all, let me tell you how to reach Shantiniketan by rail. The nearest station to Shantiniketan is Bolpur. You have to take Vishwabharati fast passenger or Rampura express from Howrah station to reach Bolpur within 2.5 hours approximately. Okay, and if you want to reach Shantiniketan by road, you can follow the Durgapur expressway. It takes approximately near about 4 hours to reach Shantiniketan. Now you can board buses to Bolpur also, these are available from Esplanade bus terminal in Kolkata. Okay, so in order to reach Bolpur by road, you can board buses from Esplanade bus terminal. Apart from this, let me tell you something regarding the accommodation. I will talk you explicitly about West Bengal government's tourist lodges. Apart from there, in Shantiniketan you will be finding various tourist lodges, hotels, cheap hotels. You can get over there definitely, but for that you can look into Vigo, Oyo, Trivago, MakeMyTrip. You can make use of these websites. In fact, I didn't mention GoIBO also. You can check out on that also. You will be getting cheap deals. Now let me tell you about Shantiniketan Tourist Lodge, which you can book via West Bengal Tourism's official website wbtdcl.com. Okay, Shantiniketan Tourist Lodge is located in Bolpur district, Birbhum, and mobile number, listen to it carefully, it's 97321 00920. Email, you can also email, that is at shantiniketantl@gmail.com. Now there is another tourist lodge which is named as Rangabitan Tourist Complex, which is located near to Khowai. Okay, so Rangabitan Tourist Complex, its village is Vallabhpur. Its mobile number is 8697984960. Let me repeat it. Its mobile number is 8697984960. Email is rangabitan, that's rangabitantc@gmail.com. But booking you have to do online only. Offline reservations are not available currently. In fact, you can advance book these hotel rooms 30 days prior to booking date. That is, you can book these rooms maximum 30 days advance, not more than that. Previously there was a 6 months window. You can book this room 6 months prior, but nowadays the rules have changed, especially to COVID, I think. Now you can book hotel rooms just 30 days in advance. Now let me tell you some famous places to visit over there. In fact, the ideal time, if you ask me, to visit Shantiniketan is during monsoon and winter months, that is between July to February, because in summertime Shantiniketan is too hot. Okay, too hot to handle. Let me tell you some famous places of interest which you can visit over there, like Vallabhpur Wildlife Sanctuary, Betua Dahuri Wildlife Sanctuary, Amar Kutir. Most people will visit definitely Amar Kutir, Sharkar Rajbari, Chini Bhavan, Kala Bhavan, Pato Bhavan, Chatim Tola, and last but not least, Rabindranath Tagore's Vishwabharati University. In and around Shantiniketan are places like Fullora. I should mention it's about 40 kilometers from there. Konkalitala Kalibari, everyone go to worship over there. It's famous ones. 7 kilometer Messenger, 78 kilometers from there, and Tarapit obviously you can visit. Otherwise you can visit from Kolkata also. It's 80 kilometers from Bolpur, Shantiniketan. These places are mainly pilgrimage sites connected to the goddess Sati. Okay, so let me tell you some different aspects of visiting Shantiniketan also. Let me tell you the history regarding Shantiniketan a bit. Mostly people know that it's mainly famously known as Rabindranath Tagore's home and now University, Vishwabharati University. Shantiniketan is basically a small town which is located in the Birbhum district of West Bengal. Currently there are 20 districts of West Bengal. Okay, about 212 kilometers north of Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta. This abode of peace embodies Rabindranath Tagore's vision of a place of learning that is unfettered by religious and religion barriers. Now Shantiniketan, which was previously known as Bhuban Danga, named after famous dacoit Bhuban Dakat, the notorious dacoit is going to see, and this place Shantiniketan was owned by the Tagore family. In Bengal we say Tagore family. In 1862, Maharshi Devendranath Tagore, the poets, that is our Rabindranath Tagore's father, while on a boat journey, he actually came across this place with its red soil and lush green paddy fields. So over there, he built a small house and used to call it Shantiniketan, which means the abode of peace. 48 years henceforth, his son, that is our Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore, set up the school that became Vishyabharati nowadays with the aim of helping education go beyond the confines of the classroom. Shantiniketan grew into the Vishyabharati University in the year 1921, and it has attracted some of the most creative minds in the country after Tagore received the Nobel Prize. Now the Shantiniketan campus is adorned by splendid sculptures. If you happen to visit Shantiniketan, you will see it over here: frescoes, murals, and paintings of Rabindranath. Apart from that, notably, I must mention about Nandalal Bose, Ram Kinkar, Vinod Bihari Mukhopadhyay, and others. A little bit more information about this place, Shantiniketan. Famous for its festivals, the Grand Pose Utsav at Shantiniketan is celebrated on the foundation day of the university. In fact, the colorful Basant Utsav, which is another attraction of visiting Shantiniketan, that is the famous Basant Utsav, I've already mentioned it over here on the occasion of Holi. Nandan Mela, which was originally actually it was started to raise money for a poor student. Now it has been a made event where university students display and sell their art. Other events which I must mention over here, like Sharadotsav, Autumn Festival, Magodotsav is the founding day of the Sriniketan campus, and last but not least, Vriksharopan Utsav, which is tree planting festival. These are also celebrated with great pomp and fervor. Not to mention the Baul Mela, at Jaidev and the Kenduli festival. Apart from that, like shopaholics, that is, who love to shop in marketing, and souvenir collectors will find cottage industries, in fact, which specialize in poetry, leatherwork, batik print, and woodwork. Now, this beautiful university and small sleepy town have acquired the status of unique tourist heaven. In fact, many people visit this Shantiniketan every now and then. It's a common tourist place and it attracts foreign tourists also. So if you happen to like this video and if you like the information provided over here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell button to get notifications regarding my new videos at the earliest. So let's meet in any other new video. Till that, stay tuned. God bless you all.